video. We have 10 reasons why you should lift your big old truck. So lifting it is one of the most controversial things. Some people hate it and some people love it. But I'm gonna commit to today, hopefully, why you should love it. And we'll get started. All right, so number one, we'll start out with the most obvious. For my purpose, I love off-roading, so you should lift your truck to get more ground clearance and to fit bigger tires, which in turn gets you even better clearance. So I lifted it 5 inches and I fit 37-inch tires, drastically improved the truck off-road. So that's a given right there, guys. There's number one. And let me tell you, reason number two you should lift your truck is, well, when you're a gentleman, you open the door for your lady. The truck's pretty tall and, you know, she's just a short little cutie, so she can't get in there by herself. Get in safely, alright? Back up. Boost her in. Well, that was a nice movie.
It was nice.
So, reason number three to lift your truck is...
Where did we park?
Yeah, where did we park? Oh, where did we park? Oh, look at all this truck out there.
That one right there, sticking out.
Right there, right?
Nothing over there. Yep.
Yep.
There we
See?
go.
Truck was so damn high, I already know where I parked. Yep. Real truck, big truck. All right, and number 4 on the list comes to preference, but it's pretty simple, guys. Lifting your truck makes it look awesome. So take a look at this pic. So as you can see, the truck just looks magnificent lifted. It just sits tall, looks loud and proud, and that's about all I gotta say about that. Okay, now reason number 5 why you should lift your truck is it's up so high. The underneath is perfectly accessible, so I can work on it, as I can demonstrate very easily. Crawl under here. I can do whatever I want down here. Over here. Voila. Someone as tall as me, being about 6'3", I can even sit under here and have a picnic. Alright, and on to number 6, guys. Is something a little out of the box, but I think lifting your truck, if you do a lot of highway driving or have kind of bad roads, it kind of helps you avoid rock chips. Okay, so if you're in a really low car and you're behind a semi or a big truck and you know, there's salt on the road or there's rocks and just stuff from torn up roads, eventually you're gonna probably get a rock chip definitely on your front end, but even on the windshield. Okay, and you don't want to crack your windshield. Well, I guarantee that ain't gonna happen in this truck. We sit higher than everyone else, and those chips would have to be flying like crazy to hit the windshield. So you're more protected in here, and that's just kind of an out of the box reason why you should lift your truck. And moving on to number 7 in the list, you guys know a big lifted truck in your mirror, you either think, damn, that's really cool, or yikes, I'm kind of scared. So number 7 is you have a very commanding road presence. I'm sure you've heard people say driving a big truck you feel like you're king of the road, or you own the road. I'm not necessarily saying you own the road, but pretty much every time I'm on the highway, people get out of my way. I'm not even speeding, they just get out of my way. You kind of have your own free path to wherever you're going. So definitely has some road presence and gives you that kind of macho feeling. Oh yeah! Number 8 has to do with another kind of out of the box reason, and kind of gives you a sense of privacy. So if you have a lifted truck and you also have like tinted glass to go with it, no one can really see in here. They can maybe see your head if they look up, but you know, it just gives you a sense of privacy. It's kind of funny if you're like a freak, you don't want to spy on people, you can see down into like every car, so you can see if they're texting and you can call them out, be like, don't text and drive. or if they're drinking, or they're doing their makeup, eating and texting, which I've seen before, then you can see that and know to maybe avoid that car because they might swerve into your lane. So kind of gives you a sense of a little bit privacy, I guess. Disclaimer, guys, I do not look in people's cars, so do as you please around me. Alright guys, so moving on to number 9. This one is pretty much true, but a little controversial, so hopefully this would never happen. But in the event of a crash, especially hitting like animals, you're pretty much protected because you're high up. They'll most likely deflect off of you and go downward instead of upward into your windshield. And in this hopefully sad event of you hitting another vehicle, most likely you're going to be higher up than that vehicle, unless they have a big ass lifted truck like you. Then you might be screwed. But you know, if this thing, God forbid, were to hit a little Ford, you know, Escort or a Honda Civic or something, you know, they would not be in good shape, but you would probably walk away unscathed, as they would go right underneath this thing. So I would definitely wouldn't say lift it just because of that, but definitely I think would keep you safer. But don't try and test that. Obviously, try and avoid wrecks at all costs. Drive smart. Don't drink and drive. Don't text and drive. Alright, reason number 10 you should lift your truck to end it here is, well, it's so high up and I don't got steps. I never skip leg day. I gotta crawl up in here, gotta plant my foot, and I gotta boost up. See my glutes, or what you pervs might say, ass. It's a good workout pretty much every day. So, and then jump out. I get some calf action when I land so I don't fall. It's a good workout having to lift the truck. All right, guys, and that's all 10. But I'm gonna give you a bonus, okay? If you could think of any bonus ones, leave them in the comments down below, because I'm sure I missed some. But my bonus one for you guys is you can run over a Prius. Alright guys, so anyway, that is 10 reasons why you should lift your truck. Go out there, buy a big truck, lift it sky high. You're gonna enjoy life. I guarantee it makes life so much better. And make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe, as I always have fun truck videos and a lot of off-roading with this lifted power wagon. And as always, guys,
Catch you later.
Catch you later.